Hello everybody, this is my bike check. Rate, subscribe, and comment. We have the Shadow Conspiracy 13 grips with the Shadow Conspiracy bar ends. We have the Klett Swift brake lever and the Aaron Ross space bars. We also have the Stolen Wrap linear cable, the Stolen Vortex top cap, the Eastern choker stem, the Can Creek integrated headset, Stolen Vortex forks, and stock Eastern front wheel. We all have the Curb Monkey tires, stock Eastern element frame, Stolen Thermoy seat and seat post combo, KMC chain, Diatec 996 brakes, the Eastern Medusa Light sprocket, the Eastern Stealth cranks, the Eastern mid-bottom bracket, the Animal PC pedals, the Eastern bidirectional cassette wheel, and the Burnout tires. I also have this. This is a custom-made paint job. This frame used to be light blue, but I painted it navy blue. And that's all. Subscribe, rate, and comment.